But we've got 120 buzz bars, brass. These buzz bars are painted on one side, and the back side we have to mask off with a masking tape. There's 3 different sizes. One of them, or 2 of them, have got flats on the end. That's one which has been plated with the tin. This is one which has been plated and is now ready for plating the edges. We have to mask that off. And there's the 3rd one. And the setup is, we've got 3 power packs, 4 power packs, and these are trays which are just guttering off of a house. And what we've actually done is cut them to the length we want, put little plastic holders in there. Now you can see the holder, we've lined it with aluminium foil and put an earth strap onto it with an earth clamp. So the first tray is for LDC 01 Electroclean and LDC 03 etch, which is done in reverse, and then the second tray is for nickel. So this is the nickel 2801. So we do this. Once we've done it in here, we put it back in the first tray for rinsing, and then the 3rd tray is the LDC 5001 alkaline tin. So you can see it's exactly the same. What we've done here is the solution runs off into catch bowls at the end. There's 3 different ones. The first one is the rinse, and the 01 and 03. We have to throw this away after and have it pH tested. These 2 are obviously saved and used again until all the amp hours are done. Okay, would you like to do that? So the first one, what he's actually done is mask the back edge, as I said, and now he's going to do these edges. Okay, do the edges, and what you will find is, because the edges, I'll come back over here, I'll show you first here. These edges are shaped with a V like a lathe slideway. What he's doing now is brake cleaning first to get solvent clean, to get all the rest of the little bits of oil or grease or anything on there that you don't want. So that's brake cleaning. Now he's going to electroclean it with LDC 01. This is in forward current, around about 12 volts. Now this operation will take about 30 seconds. Luckily we're lucky, we've got 4 power packs, as I say, set up on this. Sorry, 3 power packs set up on this. So I'm telling a lie, it is 4 power packs set up on this. This is one of the one, this is, as I say, in 12 volts in a forward polarity. So after every one of these operations, he now has to rinse with clean tap water. We just use an ordinary spray bottle which does that. So again, that's about 10 seconds, that's all that takes to do that. The next operation is the other power pack, which is in reverse. This is LDC 03 etch. So he's etching the surface, and it's round about the 12 volts again in reverse. Now these 4 anodes, as I say, are all shaped, but they must never be mixed. So you must never mix the anodes. Every anode is marked with the solution number on it. So this again is about a 30-second operation. Okay, what he's going to do now again is water rinse. Again, about 10 seconds, that's all. Now he's going to take it out of this holder and put it in the next tray, which is the nickel LDC 2801 pre-plate. Again, same thing, shaped anodes. The first 2 anodes were covered with red Scotch-Brite, and this one again is using the same cover. is the red. Now this LDC 2801 nickel is plated round about the 17 to 20 volts. You can actually see it on this. So the first one is the volts, and the green light is the amps that it's drawing, and it's banging up the amp hours being used. So again, this operation again is around about 30 seconds. You can actually see it changing colour. It goes to a light yellow colour, and that is a good cover of the nickel. Again, what he's got to do now is change it back into the first tank and rinse it with clean tap water. What he's going to do now is move around to the other tank, which is the LDC tin alkaline, which is LDC 5001, and this again is in a forward current, and it is round about the 7 volts, and you will soon see that it's coming up quite nicely. Take it down. You can see it's a lovely tin colour, and there's the actual shape of the anode, and so again it's about a 30-second operation, and that's it. That's done that one. And again, what we have to do now is take it around to the other tank, and we just water rinse it again. And then after this operation, he's got to dry it to stop it staining, and if necessary we put a WD-40 on this to actually stop it from staining. We just use an ordinary paper. And you can see young Jared has got his safety glasses on very nicely on the top of his head. But that's it, and that's the operation. Now what we have to do is start on the other side, of course, and it's exactly the same. So that's the operation for doing these buzz bars. Okay, thank you very much, Jared.